Now, health experts are warning that air conditioners can spread COVID-19. Joining us live from Geneva is Jim Hippolito. Hello, Jim.
Good evening, Alma. Yes, now that much of Switzerland's workforce has switched from homework to office, employees may be at risk of being contaminated with the COVID-19 virus. Health experts here say air conditioning systems spread the virus by moving the air around the room or simply recycling it instead of replacing it. According to Christian Garzoni, an infectious disease specialist and a member of the Federal Commission for the Preparation and Management of Pandemics, even social distancing of 1.5 meters will not prevent the transmission. He said, if someone sits 3 meters from me, air conditioning can transport a cloud of particles to my workspace, unquote. He added that when a person infected with coronavirus speaks, coughs, or sneezes, they project microdroplets up to 8 meters away. This contaminated cloud can remain suspended in the air for several minutes. His expert group found that while speaking for 1 minute, an infected person can spread some 1,000 contaminated droplets through the air, which can stay in suspension for up to 8 minutes. In my last report, Alma, to recall, masks are currently obligatory on all public transportation in Switzerland, as well as on all Swiss flights. They are also required in shops in cantons of Vaud and Jura. And last week, cantons of Basel, Aargau, and Solothurn made them compulsory in all nightclubs. Just an update, Alma, on the situation here in Switzerland. Switzerland eased its measures and reopened its land borders. But since mid-June, there has been a worrying rise in new cases. Also from July 6, anyone entering Switzerland from any of the 29 high-risk countries, including the United States, has to undergo a 10-day quarantine. Tests are now free from residents, while the COVID-19 tracing application, Swiss COVID, had been downloaded about 1.6 million times by July 4. Since June 22, public and private events of up to 1,000 people have been permitted on condition that contact tracing is guaranteed. Larger events are still banned. The recommended safe distance between people was reduced from 2 meters to 1.5 meters. Some cantons, including Basel and Ticino, have introduced stricter restrictions on gatherings than in the rest of the country. Travel is now possible between Switzerland and the European Union, EFTA countries, and the United Kingdom. On July 20, travelers from the following countries deemed as safe will be able to enter Switzerland: Algeria, Australia, Canada, Georgia, Japan, Morocco, Montenegro, New Zealand, South Korea, Rwanda, Thailand, Tunisia, and Uruguay. At the same time, EU states not belonging to the Schengen area, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Ireland, and Romania, whose citizens have been allowed to enter Switzerland since June 15, 2020, will also be removed from the list of countries as risk. China will also be added to the safe list in accordance with EU recommendations, provided that reciprocity is guaranteed to Swiss residents. Back to you, Alma.
All right. Thank you very much, Jim, for your updates there in Geneva. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you, Alma. Reporting live for EBC Geneva Bureau, this is Jim Hippolito, and we live in interesting times.